for today is all about solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So, solve for x in x squared plus 9x plus 14 is equals to 7. So, our equation is said to be in standard form. So, we are about to find first the value of the following equation. So, we have here for the first coefficient, we have here the value for a is equals to 1. Then, the value for b is equals to positive 9 for the second term. For the constant term, we have for value of c is equals to 14. So, of course, you are about to use the quadratic formula. So, what is the formula for quadratic equation? So, we have here x is equals to negative b, positive on the negative sign, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so again, we have heard the quadratic formula. X is equals to negative b, positive negative sign, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us now substitute the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. So x is equals to, what is the value of b? So that is positive 9. So since this, we have the negative sign in our formula, that will become negative 9, positive and the negative sign, square root of the value of b again, that is 9 squared minus 4. The value of a, we have heard 1. Then, the value of c, we have heard 14. Okay. Next, we have heard 2. The value of a is 1. Okay, now, just simplify. Okay, negative 9, positive negative sign, square root of 9 squared. 9 times 9, that is 81. Minus 4 times 1, that is 4. Then, 4 times 14, that is 14 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 56. So that is 56 over 2 times 1, that is 2. So, x is equals to negative 9, positive and negative sign. 81 minus 56, that is 25. So, 25 over 2. Now, next, x is equals to negative 9. Copy again, negative 9. Positive and the negative sign. What is the square root of 25? That is 5. Okay, over 2. Okay, let us have the value of x. So, equals x is equals to negative 9, positive and negative sign. So, negative 9 plus, 9 muna natin yung positive, plus 5 over 2. So, x is equals to negative 9 plus 5, that is x is equals to negative 4 over 2. So, negative 4 divided by 2, that is x is equals to negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. So, that is the first solution. So x is equals to negative 2. So again, another. So when for the negative sign. So x is equals to negative 9 minus 5 over 2. Then x is equals to negative 9 minus 5, that is addition. So it will become negative 14 over 2. So x is equals to negative 14 divided by 2, that is negative 7. Okay, so therefore, our solution to the equations x squared plus 9x plus 14 is equals to 0 is negative 7 and negative 2.